Kanban methodology is a project and process management tool developed by an industrial engineer Taiichi Ohno in the late 1940s. In the beginning, it is introduced as an integral part of the lean manufacturing production system. The purpose of the Kanban approach was to increase the productivity of the Toyota production system by eliminating wastes without causing a decrease in productivity. The Japanese word Kanban means visual card. Kanban laminated cards are used in the Toyota plants to guide lean production by communicating demands. These cards specify the tasks that need to be done just in time. Main principles of the Kanban methodology. In the 1940s, Toyota production system adopted just-in-time manufacturing, which relies on the pull system. Unlike the push approach, the amount of production depends on the customer demand. Toyota production system has been arranged according to the lean principles in order to create more value. In project management, Kanban is a methodology of organizing work and workflow by increasing visualization with Kanban cards. The keystone of Kanban cards is to reduce the amount of work in progress. It eliminates wastes generating from complexity and context switching and encourages collaboration to improve the system. Kanban methodology aims at an efficient change management system and customer and stakeholder satisfaction. It is an alternative Agile technique. Below are the basic principles of Kanban. Visualize the workflow. Limit the work in progress. Manage flow. Make policies explicit. Continuous improvement. Visualize the workflow with Kanban boards. All the system relies on the laminated cards, which are called Kanban boards, to guide the processes. Simply put, the Kanban board is a tool to visualize the workflow and optimize it by promoting the participation of the team. Digital boards can be used as well as physical boards for visualizing and optimizing the workflow. In the Kanban boards, work items and tasks move from left to right, and each step represents the situation of the task. Basically, a Kanban board has 3 steps. To do. In progress. Done. Additional steps such as in development, in testing, plan can be added to the Kanban board based on the requirements. Unlike Scrum boards, Kanban boards may involve many teams and even the whole organization. In software development projects, visual mapping is the first step of a Kanban approach. The team creates a value stream map as a Kanban board to manage the processes. Limit the work in progress. A large number of studies prove that multitasking causes inefficiency in the production system. For example, if a programmer was working on 2 code writing tasks that should take 4 hours each, due to the multitasking, the total completion duration may be more than 8 hours. Kanban methodology limits the number of tasks to be done at each step to prevent the inefficiency caused by multitasking. Manage flow. Kanban approach seeks to pull more work from the upstream process. Kanban card signals for more work to pull based on the limits for the limit work in progress that are defined for each step. Make policies explicit. All the process Kanban methodology should be based on policies. Some of the policies are under the control of the project team, other policies are ordered by the management. Making the policies explicit prevents confusion regarding work rules. Continuous improvement. Kanban methodology aims to maintain continuous improvement within the production system. It is every team member's business to improve the system by sharing thoughts. All the team members should adopt Kaizen and think about the improvements to be made. Advantages of the Kanban methodology. Promotes transparency in project management. Improves teamwork. Promotes agile workflow. Promotes participation of the team. Reduces waste. Increases productivity. Increases customer satisfaction. Allows flexibility. Helps to minimize the amount of inventory. Disadvantages of the Kanban methodology. Requires a dynamic environment. Requires an effective real-time communication system. Kanban board must be viewed by the team constantly. Necessary action should be taken quickly for the Kanban cards, because outdated cards cause defects and problems. Cards and categories may cause complexity. It is not applicable to all industries and projects. Kanban is a common framework used to implement Agile software development. Real-time communication and transparency play important roles in this methodology. In the past, laminated cards and whiteboards were widely used to activate the processes. Today, a great number of software and internet-based tools are available for the use of Kanban. These tools are capable of defining each process step, creating work items, and moving them across the board as the work progresses.